Today, doing a review on the Brooks Levitate 4. If you want to order this shoe or other shoes like it, click in the link in the description. The Brooks Levitate 4 comparing to the Brooks Levitate 3, I will say right off the bat, we are going to have a little bit more snug fit on the foot and a little bit less flexibility in the midsole, which is going to improve the support that it's providing. Also, we have a reformulated DNA amp in the midsole, which is supposed to be 20% lighter. In a men's size 9, we're looking at 9.2 ounces. So we are taking some weight off that original shoe. It's very responsive. The midsole, identified in the Brooks category with the shiny metallic look, is going to be the amp, which is a pelletized plastic. Essentially, you're going to get more compressions out of that midsole. It's not going to break down as quick. Better response feel, and I would say for this shoe, using it, you're going to be looking at a really good marathon race shoe or some tempo running. As for getting over the 8 to 10 mile mark for just general training runs, it's going to be a little bit firm, especially if you're running on concrete, but I think it could do you well depending on your gait and form. The volume of the shoe is going to be a little bit lower than most Brooks shoes, so it's not going to accommodate an orthotic very well unless it's low volume. The upper is designed with a semi-mesh knit. We have more knitting here on the sides to hold the foot into place, and then on the top it's going to be much more breathable. The tongue is sewed into the shoe halfway up the upper, and then the top part of the tongue is kind of loose fitting, but it fits to the foot like a sock would on the top of there. Around the collar of the shoe, we're still going to keep that elastic that feels like a sock fitting around the ankle. A lot of people say that it's going to bother their ankle, but for me that's not the case. I think it fits very comfortably, and I actually would consider wearing this without a sock, which I wouldn't with other shoes. The tread and the design of the outsole. We have our flex grooves on the non-arch, our lateral side right here. In the Levitate 3, this flex groove actually didn't disconnect here and went all the way across, all the way up and across, where now we have full rubber along the interior side. That is going to be reducing flexibility this way, and it will actually reduce the torsion that the shoe is going to experience. So lightening a shoe typically takes away support from the shoe, but then reducing flexibility improves the support. So support and stability will remain about the same, and our 8mm heel to toe drop is going to help us keep that efficient gait with more of a mid to forefoot strike. Really great running shoe. Hope you enjoyed the review. Check the link out in the bottom. Thanks for watching.